Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the font size and style on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down and tap Display. Scroll down the display settings and tap on Font Style. You can now choose between 3 different font styles. Tap on a font to select it. It will change immediately. To change the font size, tap Font Size. You can change the size by tapping Small, Medium or Large. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.